Alright, so showing you how to remove a bad valve stem from any tire. There's a valve stem remover. Costs you maybe about 10 or 15 bucks. Has threads on the end of it like your valve stem does. Thread that onto your valve stem, and once you've got it all the way down, all you do is apply some pressure. Usually if the tire's off the rim, you can just bend it over the side of the rim, it'll pop right off. But because I still have the tire on here, I need to get something that has more leverage on it to help me out. So I'm gonna grab a tire iron and use that to help me get more leverage to pull that valve stem out. That's the force that just pulls the valve stem out. You pushing down pulls that valve stem completely out from the front of the wheel there. So you're gonna see me grab the tire iron tool and kind of use that to get some leverage behind the valve stem and pull it out. And that's it. That's how easy you can remove a valve stem.